Winter is a magical time of year, especially in Nutwood. As the days get shorter and the nights get longer, Rupert uses a special lantern to light his way. Many winter celebrations involve light in some way, decorating trees with lights and lighting special candles or lanterns. In this activity, we're going to create a paper lantern inspired by Rupert's. This is Murray, and he is going to show you how. You will need paper lantern templates, double-sided tape or glue, a ruler to help fold, and coloured paper or stickers to decorate. Decide what kind of shape you'd like your lantern to be. Apply tape or glue to one end of the paper template like this, and cut a strip off the bottom to use as a handle. Pop some glue or tape onto your handle and set it aside for now. Time to fold the lantern. Folding in different places will change the shape of the lantern when you put it together. Murray is just folding his along the two edges of the lantern paper. Roll your template around to create a tube and stick the two ends together. Now you'll see how the folds you made create the shape of your lantern. Now you can attach your handle you made earlier to the top of the lantern. Here is another shaped lantern that Murray made. Now you can use some paper or other materials to decorate as you would like to. Just like Rupert, you can use your lantern to light your way. Thank you for watching.